Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. So first of all, you're going to click on your menu at the below right corner, click on the settings gear at the top right, and from here you're going to see the account center or meta. Just move on to the next step, and here you're going to see the personal details. Move on to the next step. You're going to see the last option, which is account ownership and control. Move on, and you're going to see two options or three options. You're going to see deactivation or deletion. Just go ahead to the deactivation and choose the account if you have more than one account. Move on to deleting your account by selecting delete account. Move on to the next step. Explain to them why that you want to delete this account, and just move on to the next step. And here you're going to see time spent on Facebook. This is like a recommendation to minimize or moderate your usage of time, or usage of time consuming thing in your Facebook, to manage it only after all. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna move on to the next step, which is continue. And if you want to save posts or information related to your account, if you have that, just go ahead and take your time into downloading information and anything related to your account. So move on to the next step, which is continuing. And here I'm gonna just add my password, and after I add the password, you're gonna confirm that you want to delete your account, and you're gonna set an order to delete your account after your confirmation. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.